these are they going to issue? Holy crap.
For the following areas in Connecticut, Hartford, Talent, and Wyndham. Winter storm warning in effect until 8 p.m. this evening. Blizzard warning is canceled. The National Weather Service in Taunton has issued a winter storm warning, which is in effect until 8 p.m. this evening. The blizzard warning has been canceled. Locations: Northeast Connecticut. Hazard types: snow and blowing snow. Accumulations: final snow accumulations ranging from 7 to 14 inches near Hartford to between 15 and 25 inches across Northeast Connecticut.
Wow.
Timing: accumulating snow will wind down this afternoon and be coming to an end by early evening. Impacts: untreated roads will remain snow-covered and slippery. In addition, blowing and drifting snow will continue for the remainder of the afternoon despite snow gradually winding down. Winds north 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Visibilities: 1/2 mile or less at times. All unnecessary travel is discouraged. This is a serious life-threatening storm. A winter storm warning is issued when an average of 6 or more inches of snow is expected in a 12-hour period, or for 8 or more inches in a 24-hour period. Travel will be slow at best on well-treated surfaces, and quite difficult on any unplowed or untreated surface.